Alright guys, here we go. So how did you do number 1? Factors of what number? What'd you say? Factors of 40. Alright, what are the factors of 40? 1 and 40, 2 and 20. Let's see, 3 doesn't go. 4 and 10. 5 and... 5 and how much? Speak up, I can't hear you. Sounds like you're saying 18. 8. Is that it? 6, 7, and we start back over. There we go. Alright, so which one adds or subtracts to be negative 13? 5 and 8. How does 5 and 8 give me negative 13? If you add them, it gives you positive. Subtract. They both need to be negative, guys. Alright, negative 5 minus 18. So let's see, that'd be, you got 4 x's, that'd be x squared and x squared, minus 5 and minus 8. And that's it. Y'all okay? Alrighty, what about number 2? Number 2, always look for a GCF. Do they have anything in common between all 3 of them? No. So you gotta find factors of 2, but this one's easy. What's the only factors of 2? 2 and 1, or 1 and 2. So when I go ahead and do this, because you got a number in front, whereas this one did not have a factor in front. You got to do factors of both of them this time. So let's see, that'll be 2b and 1b. Alright, then you got to do factors of 21. What are the factors of 21? Oh, before that. 1 and 21, and then 7 and 3. Or 3 and 7. Alright, so draw your line. Let's see, we're trying to get to 17. So let's see, 2 times... which one of these will get me close to 17? 2 times 7. Alright, what's 2 times 7? 14. Alright, then we got to do our inner. This is 1 times something. So what's the other number with 7? Pick up. 3. What's 1 times 3? 3. How does 3 and 14 give me 17? You add them, so they're both going to be positive. That's it. Or 0 period. Come see me. Come see me. We're going to do these for another month. Let's see. Alright, number 3. So, mean. What's the word mean? Mean. Average, right? How do you find average? You add everything up and then do what? Divide by how many you got, right? Okay, so look what it's asking. It says you got a mean of 3 numbers. So you got 3 numbers, so we know we're dividing by 3, right? And the mean of 3 numbers is x. So given that the first and second numbers don't change, they're the same, and the third number increased by 9, what's the new mean? So you take 9 divided by 3, which is how much? 3. So it's your x plus 3, which was a. Y'all okay on that? Hopefully you're getting this on your paper and not on your phones. Alright, what about number 4? So let's see. Trapezoid ABCD is graphed in the standard plane. What is the slope of CD? So CD is right there. So how do I find slope? Something over something. Yeah, it is rise over 1, but how did we write it? We wrote it a little delta y over delta x. Very good. What are my 2 y's between these two? 4 and how much? 1. So 4 minus 1. Alright, now here's the deal. If you started with 4, you got to start with the x that goes with it, which is 9. So 9 minus 12. Isn't that what it says, 12? Okay. Right here is delta y over delta x. So you got to take your 2 y's and subtract them. Because it said, where'd it go? It said the slope of CD. So I'm picking this line right here. Alright, what's 4 minus 1? 3. What's 9 minus 12? How much? -3. -3? Everybody's agreeing with that? Alright, how much is that? -1. Not +1. -1. Y'all okay? Anybody lost? That was your ACT prep question for the day. You got an ACT. The next one is December 10th. After that, it's February 11th. So please make sure you sign up. If you need help signing up, just come ask, and I will show you the way. It's very, very easy, okay? Everybody good? So this week is, I can't remember the official name, but it's like basically sign up for college week, you know, register for college. And so a lot of colleges this week, especially if you're a senior, a lot of colleges only this week will waive their registration fee. So if you're thinking about applying for some colleges and you're a senior, even if you're a junior, a lot of juniors can still apply and get in too. So think about really applying this week because they will waive their, I mean, guys, that's like $100 for some schools.
Ms. Blackman?
Yes, ma'am.
You have Bella Cosby. She needs to meet Coach Ward to drive
Yes, ma'am. I'll send Belle Cosby.
out by the cafeteria.
Yes, ma'am. I will. Yeah. So if you're thinking about applying, just go ahead and think about doing that this week. I know South used to be like $60 back in the day, and so my master's wasn't that long ago. So don't snicker. My master's wasn't that long ago, and I think it was $60. But there's no telling what a bachelor's has been a minute, so I'm not going to tell you how long ago that was. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do our study guides. Study guides are due tomorrow, right? So if you, because we got a test tomorrow.
Why can't they be due Thursday?
Because I've been telling you for 2 weeks now that they're going to be due the day of the test.
I say 3 weeks.
No. All right, so you should have 2 sections already done, right? You should have 2 sections already done. So the only thing you really should be working on is that middle section. All right, so get your study guides. And I handed you a calendar that goes through Thanksgiving. It's a day off because we really should have taken our test today, but it'll be all right.
Y'all see next time?
Yeah, and the Thursday before that is the assembly, which we always do. So I won't see y'all that day either.
Can I go?
Not right now.
No, not if you should let me know. Where do you even go?
Probably the stairs, I would have said.
I'll just go in there and go, hey, I need this. And they go,
Her office is in the office. She's in the office. Yes, all right, so find your study guide. I believe it's number 23 and 24. Yes, it is. 23 and 24. You listen to me talking. 23 and 24, you can mark out. You don't have to do them. So it looks like you've only got about 6 problems that you should have to do. What is it, 17, 18, and 19 through 22. So 17 through 22 is all you got to do. Are y'all okay?
on what?
Page 21, isn't it? Yeah, page 21.
On our study guide?
On your study guide, you should theoretically only have 6 left to do if you did everything like you were supposed to and heeded my advice
Yeah,
for the past 2 weeks.
I didn't listen.
I know. Good.
Yeah.
You got some music or something you can put in? We have to have all those done, and then you should have the bottom 4 done. And then you don't have to do 23 and 24. You don't have to do 17. If you got everything done. Yeah, but I thought you did that on a piece of paper. You understand how long that's I'm talking now. You are welcome to check, and I will use your my study guide, and you cannot write on my study guide. Alright? Yes.
allowed to apply for Just State,
Yeah.
but I don't really know what their plan is for all of that. They never said anything about how we're actually.
Plan the counselors.
Yeah.
The counselors said they were going to help you apply for Jeff State.
they said that they came around and had this speech about college week.
Yeah.
And they told us to write down the college we're going to, and they were going to give us time in the computer lab and some other stuff.
Probably during your English and history class. That's when I normally do that.